to Pleasant Ridge. My name is Sailor.
My name is Raina.
So today we're going to be showing you how we made this vinyl record holder. This is it. And so let's get to it. We'll start with this chunk of ambrosia maple.
Perfect.
Here we're marking out a 6-inch section. Trim off the excess. Now we'll tilt our blade to 5 degrees. I'll set the blade to half the thickness. After resetting the blade to 2 degrees, we'll cut the notch. After flipping the piece, we'll run it through one more time. I'll remove the remaining piece with a nice sharp chisel.
Everybody's favorite part, sanding.
We'll sand the inside by hand. This is the Pleasant Ranch branding iron.
Smells like maple syrup, kind of.
It's maple wood.
Oh. Time for a couple coats of spray lacquer. Final step is to apply the feet.